Yo, what up? So I just got out of the shower. Just got out of the shower. And I see that new Birds of Prey trailer dropped. Birds of Prey trailer, Birds of Prey. English. I can't do it. It's my third language. But Birds of Prey trailer dropped. If you don't know, Birds of Prey is DC's long running, normally all female teams doing different things, stuff. It's like if you know Marvel's analog, the A Force. Um, I mean, A Force didn't really last, but Birds of Prey is still good. But um, but why are we even talking about that? We know that these things don't follow comic books anyway. So, but it looks like it's still the same. I guess the same trail as the rest of the DCEU. Same as like Suicide Squad. Everything looks. It looks like they're not trying to make any changes to the current DCEU. Trying to take it on a different path or anything. I don't know what Suicide Squad is going to do with that. Since James Gunn did it, I don't know if that's going to like start a new like reboot or of the universe, or if it's going to keep this same aesthetic and direction or whatever. But who knows? Birds of Prey is coming out anyway, whether we like it or not. But let's see what it looks like. I'm trying to be less critical of movies, because my roommate yesterday said, you know what, you love movies but you hate movies, and I'm like, you're right. So I need to stop being a hater. A lot of work goes into these movies and for me to enjoy, and even if I don't enjoy them, there's still a lot of people putting a lot of work in, blood, sweat, and tears, and for me to just come up and say, "Oh, that's garbage," yeah, I feel kind of like a jerk, and we don't want to be jerks. There's enough of those on the internet. So, anyways, let's go. Let's check out this trailer, see what it looks like. Actually, after that just popped up, I'm like, I wonder if. Anyways, yeah, let's see. I'll ask the questions after. Damn.
You know what a Harley Quinn is?
You loud, bruh.
A Harley Quinn's role is to serve. It's nothing without a master. No one gives two shits who we are beyond that.
She's even more jokered out. Like, we thought we were safe from Leto, but still here for some reason.
But it turns out I wasn't the only dame in Gotham looking for emancipation.
Shit. Oh, that Huntress? Yeah.
Spectacular news!
Oh no. Oh, okay. I was like, oh no, is it Leto?
Who are you guys?
Oh shit.
Here's the deal, Quinn. You need me!
Wait. Is he supposed to be the Joker now? Is Leto gone? And he's what? Right.
Walking out of here. Unless we work together.
She's sketching, boy.
You gotta be kidding me.
Isn't this fun? It's just like the sleepover. We should order pizza. Big Cosmos. Harley, focus. Okay. I'm the one they should be scared of. Not
Oh.
you. Not Miss
Yeah, that button.
Because I'm Harley freaking Quinn.
Oh, she's going.
Who's having a good time?
Get ready, ladies.
Who is he supposed to be in this? We're gonna have to look at this cast, see what they're supposed to be.
That psycho chick. I never call a woman a chick. I'll accept broad, lady, woman, and on
Bruh.
occasion, bitch.
They're just rolling up. We just casually jump TNT out the window. Hey, we're just gonna have this conversation and then just dump some TNT out the window. Like, the oh, sorry, my language. What the hell? Bruh, man. I don't know. Okay, so there's a lot going on in this trailer. Like, I can't. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't read Birds of Prey, like a lot of people don't. But so I'm trying to figure out who's who. I don't know who she's gonna be. Normally, it's like DC bad girls. Well, Oracle. I mean, well, not bad girls because it's Black Canary and Oracle and like literally everybody. Uh, um, so I don't know. I don't know who any of these characters are gonna be. I don't know who Ewan McGregor is. Let's. I'm gonna have to go and check and see who everybody's gonna. I'm like obviously Huntress is Huntress. So huh. As long as the Joker's not in it, there's some promise, right? So it looks like it might be pretty cool. Like she's just continued falling off the wagon and just going crazier and crazier. She's like Margot Robbie is going full ham into Harley Quinn. This one, like that's pretty. I was like, she looks like she's given a performance in that trailer right there, man. So that definitely. I was gonna see it anyway, but that definitely sells me. I definitely want to check it out. So, I mean, I was gonna watch it anyway. Let's be serious. So, but I wonder what it's gonna do. What it's gonna have to do with the rest of the DCEU going forward. Like, is it gonna tie into Suicide Squad? Are they gonna keep trying to roll stuff out? I wonder. Who is. I'm going to have to look up the cast. Hold on. We'll make a cut. Bro, okay, so. These casting choices. I don't know, man. So. This girl here is Black Canary. They put the emphasis on the black. So why she's Black Canary, right? Okay. All right. So the little kid is Cassandra Cain, one-time Batman. That's Batgirl. This is Huntress. Like Ewan McGregor is Black Mask. Like Victor Zsasz is in this movie. I don't know what's going on in this movie, but it's a lot of stuff happening right now. So we're definitely gonna see how this pans out. I'm waiting to see the inevitable internet backlash of these casting choices, and we'll see what happens. But I've always been all for if this person can play the role in the way that the director wants it, then that should be the person that gets the role. Like, these are all fictional characters, so we don't do that. You've got to. I get it. I get that you want like representation and all that stuff, but that's a topic for a different video. But this trailer, I'm gonna see this movie. I'm gonna see this movie. Looks pretty dope. What do you think? What do you think about the trailer? Does this do anything for you? Does this hype you up for Birds of Prey? Are you ready for the continuation of the DCEU? Are you hoping that they can bring some type of life to these properties, continue the DC cinematic universe? I really hope they do, because I like DC Comics, so I want to see more of their stuff. Like, DC animated movies are dope. Why can't the live action movies be the same? Let's do that. But tell me what you think in the comments. Tell me if you're excited about Birds of Prey. Tell me if you want to see Margot Robbie as more Harley Quinn. Tell me what your favorite day of the week is. I don't know. Tell me something in the comments. Doesn't matter. Just post something, and we'll talk about Birds of Prey. See where we're going with it. But until the next time, I'll catch y'all later. Peace.